Alright, how to add subtitles to a video in 1 minute. Let's get started. First, head over to the website veed.io. You can create an account for free, or click on the first link in the description to go straight to the website. Next, click on upload your video, then click on upload a file, select the video you would like to add subtitles to, and click on open. Now your video will be imported and uploaded into Veed's online video editor. Okay, to add automatic subtitles, head over to Subtitles in the left menu, then click on Auto Subtitle. After that, select the language you speak in your video and click on Start. Now Veed automatically transcribes the audio in your video to text and turns it into subtitles. Alright, now you can edit your subtitles. For instance, easily change the text in the text boxes on the left, and you can extend, shorten, split, add or remove subtitles in the bottom timeline menu. And to customize the style of your subtitles, simply head over to Styles in the subtitle menu and change the font style, size, color, background and more. Okay, to export your video, head over to the export button in the right top corner, then choose your preferred render settings and make sure burn subtitles is enabled, and click on export video. After the video is rendered, feel free to share your video with your friends or colleagues, or simply click on the download button to download the video straight to your device. And that's how you easily create and add automatic subtitles to your video. Thank you so much for watching, have a nice day and see you later.